Hi everyone, it's Gail, and it is the 20th of July of the hashtag Jelly Postcard Play Challenge by Ceri the Crafter. So we've got our postcard, we've got our jelly print, and off we go. So let me put the glue back on that from the last one I did. Hope everyone's having a good July 20th. Okay, let's just kind of line that up. There we go. Love this jelly print. It's got some shiny copper on it. Okay, and then I have these pieces from a scrapbook paper pad. We're going to use those. I have, and I've told you this before, I know, but I've been trying to use up some of my ephemera from scrapbook, different designs and kits and such. So, okay, let's just get our wood piece on there. Okay, there's that. Maybe just, okay, like so. And then I thought we'd just kind of plop the bird on there like he's sitting on there. Whoops, not that. Need the glue. So there he is, just sitting on the wood piece. And then I have this 20 cents that I'm going to put on for July 20th. This is a vintage piece. Don't even know where I got it, but it's a cool 20. So that is going to go onto there. And we probably should give it a little bit of something around the edges. Okay, there is July 20th. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.